Analyze the melting point. The substance has a low melting point. This indicates that the forces holding the individual particles together in the crystal lattice are relatively weak intermolecular forces, such as London dispersion forces, dipole-dipole interactions, or hydrogen bonds, rather than strong chemical bonds. Evaluate conductivity in the liquid state. The substance does not conduct electricity when melted. Electrical conductivity in a liquid requires the presence of mobile charged particles, such as ions or delocalized electrons. The lack of conductivity suggests the substance is composed of neutral molecules that do not carry a charge. Evaluate conductivity in solution. The substance does not conduct electricity in solution. This confirms that when the substance dissolves, it does not dissociate into ions. It is a non-electrolyte, further supporting the idea that it is composed of stable, neutral molecules. Identify the solid type. A solid that is crystalline, has low melting temperatures, and consists of neutral molecules that do not conduct electricity in any phase is the definition of a molecular solid. The correct answer is option E, a molecular solid.